Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Xdefiant error code BRAVO-13, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is just go ahead and just restart your PC. Make sure you know everything. Just go ahead and just restart your PC because you can always try that and that will most likely always work. And if that does not work, the second method you guys can try doing is just simply find Xdefiant on the browser, or let's just say I think it's on Steam as well. I don't have it downloaded, but whatever, like let's just say you have it on like the desktop. I'm just gonna use a random like app for as an example. So basically you're gonna right click on Xdefiant, you're gonna go to properties, and then from properties you're basically gonna go to the compatibility tab. Now you're gonna check two boxes from here: run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and you're also gonna check run this program as an administrator. Now once you check those two boxes, you can go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK. And then now once you do that, go ahead to the Xdefiant and just restart it up. Now that should fix the error code and you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.